Welcome to the Best Startup Idea Ever podcast, where small problems in daily life can lead to big business ideas. Today, you'll hear 3 interesting stories: a hair catcher that keeps your bathtub drain clear, a home haircut tool that saves time and money, and sunglasses that turn any party into a surprising celebration. All of them come from everyday creativity and might just inspire your own next big idea. Story 1. Let's face it, clogged drains are one of those little problems that drive people crazy. If you've ever stepped into a warm shower only to find yourself ankle deep in rising water, you know exactly what I mean. Most of the time, the cause is simple: hair. Long hair, short hair, it all adds up, and before you know it, your pipes are blocked. That's where Hairy Grabs Tear comes in. It's a small product solving a big annoyance, and it's a great example of how a simple idea can become a smart business. Created by Andy and Patty Watney, Hairy Grabs Tear is a tool designed to catch hair before it goes down the drain. But unlike traditional drain covers that sit at the bottom of the tub, Hairy Grabs Tear sticks to the wall of your shower or bathtub. Why? Because that's where the real hair problem starts. When you're washing or combing your hair, strands fall and cling to your hands or body, not directly into the drain. Hairy Grabs Tear has a clever solution. It uses soft bristles, like tiny fingers, that grab loose hair when you swipe your hands across it. The bristles trap the hair, but let water flow through freely. When you're done, you just peel the hair off and rinse the tool. Simple, clean, and surprisingly satisfying. It doesn't take batteries. It doesn't need installation. And it doesn't require any special maintenance. That's what makes it stand out. It works, it's easy to use, and it solves a real problem. The product has been especially popular among people with long hair, and also among parents, pet owners, and landlords. Just think about how many households deal with slow drains or costly plumbing bills because of hair clogs. A product like this can prevent all that. Hairy Grabs Tear is now sold on platforms like Amazon and other online stores. It's earned strong reviews because people appreciate its practical use, and because it saves time, money, and frustration. So what can we learn from this? First, the best business ideas don't always start big. Sometimes they begin in the shower, while you're dealing with a daily annoyance. Andy and Patty saw a tiny, unpleasant problem, and instead of ignoring it, they built a product around it. Second, simplicity sells. You don't always need to invent the next smartphone or app. Solving a common issue in a smart, usable way is often enough to win customers, especially when your solution is affordable and easy to explain. And finally, good design makes a difference. Hairy Grabs Tear didn't just stop at being functional. Its fun name, compact size, and easy use make it a product people want to talk about, and that makes it memorable. So, the next time you're annoyed by a small problem in your daily life, ask yourself, is this something others deal with too? If the answer is yes, you might be holding your own version of the next Hairy Grabs Tear. Story 2. Imagine this: you're standing in your bathroom, scissors in one hand, comb in the other, trying to give yourself, or someone else, a decent haircut. YouTube videos make it look easy. But the truth? It's not. One small mistake, and suddenly someone's bangs are way too short. This everyday challenge inspired the creation of a smart little tool called Hairfin, a simple but powerful solution for people who want to cut hair at home. Hairfin was designed to make home haircuts easier, faster, and more accurate. It's a tool shaped like a fin, available in 2 sizes, 5-inch and 6-inch, and it helps you measure the length of hair you're about to cut. That might sound basic, but it solves a real problem. Most people struggle to keep hair even on both sides, especially when cutting without a mirror or doing it solo. With Hairfin, you simply comb the hair straight, hold the tool along the side, and use it as a guide to trim the right length. No more guessing. No more uneven results. It works for all kinds of hair, long, short, straight, or curly, and it's great for men, women, and kids. What makes Hairfin special isn't just the design, it's the timing and purpose. The tool was created with a clear goal: to empower regular people to take control of their grooming, especially in situations when going to a salon isn't practical. And here's where the story gets more interesting. Hairfin caught national attention when it appeared on the TV show Shark Tank. After that, its sales skyrocketed. Viewers connected with the idea immediately. Why? Because the pain point was real, and the solution was clear. Haircuts can cost a lot of money, especially for families. Scheduling an appointment, waiting in line, commuting, it all adds up. Hairfin doesn't replace professional stylists, but it gives people the freedom to manage basic haircuts at home, and that's powerful. Plus, the product is made in the USA and comes with a unique design that helps users cut more precisely than with traditional tools. For beginners or anyone nervous about DIY haircuts, Hairfin builds confidence. And as more people choose to do things themselves, from cooking to home repairs, this kind of product fits perfectly into today's mindset. So, what can we learn from this? First, real innovation doesn't always mean high-tech. Sometimes, it's about rethinking everyday tools to make them work better. Second, if you're solving a common problem, even a small one, your product has a real shot at success. Hairfin didn't try to change the entire beauty industry. It just fixed one part of it, home haircuts, and did it well. And finally, visibility matters. Shark Tank helped Hairfin get noticed, but it was the simplicity and usefulness of the product that kept customers coming back. So if you're thinking about a startup idea, ask yourself, is there something people struggle with that you can simplify? If so, maybe your idea, like Hairfin, is just one smart solution away from becoming the next household name. Story 3. What if a pair of sunglasses could do more than just block the sun? What if it could make people laugh, bring out their playful side, and even turn a boring day into something a little more magical? That's exactly what Sunstocks set out to do. Sunstocks, created by H2W Incorporated, is not your typical sunglasses company. Instead of focusing on sleek, high-fashion eyewear, they took a different path, one that mixes fun, creativity, and personality. Their sunglasses are bold, colorful, and sometimes downright silly, and that's the whole point. Imagine wearing sunglasses shaped like Charmander or Squirtle from Pokemon. Or glasses with mustaches, tiaras, or superhero masks attached to them. That's the magic of Sunstocks. They're part costume, part accessory, and 100% fun. At first glance, you might think these are just toys for kids. But the truth is, Sunstocks are for everyone: kids, teens, adults, partygoers, even cosplayers. They're great for birthday parties, Halloween, comic conventions, or just adding a bit of humor to your day. What makes Sunstocks really smart is how they blend fun with function. The sunglasses still protect your eyes from the sun, they're real sunglasses, but they also make people smile. In a world where fashion can feel serious and repetitive, Sunstocks offers something fresh, silly, and light-hearted. And here's where the business lesson comes in. The team behind Sunstocks saw something others didn't: fun can be a business. Most sunglasses companies compete on style, brand, or price. But Sunstocks found a unique niche: fun, themed eyewear that appeals across generations. That simple twist turned into a big opportunity. Their designs quickly became popular, not just because of the fun factor, but because they filled a gap in the market. People don't just want products, they want experiences. And when something as small as a pair of glasses can create laughter, joy, or even memories at a party, it becomes more than just a product. It becomes a story. Sunstocks has proven that even a playful idea, one that might sound like a joke at first, can become a real, profitable business if done right. The key is knowing your audience, creating something they genuinely enjoy, and making sure the product delivers both in form and function. So what can we learn from Sunstocks? 1. Don't be afraid to stand out. In a world full of serious products, sometimes the best move is to be the fun one. 2. Simple ideas can turn into big businesses, especially if they spark emotion, make people smile, or help them express themselves. And 3. Creativity isn't just about art or design. It's also about solving a simple problem, like making sunglasses exciting again. So the next time you're thinking about a startup idea, ask yourself, can I turn something ordinary into something unforgettable? Sunstocks did. And maybe you can too. Thank you for listening to today's podcast. If you find best idea ever stories inspiring or valuable lessons, please share them with your friends. Don't forget to follow the channel to continue exploring other bold startup journeys with me. See you in the next episode, where every idea, no matter where it comes from, can become the seed of a big dream.